It's Marcus Bethlehem when he passed trains at the Chess Museum. This video isn't started yet. So, as we see, there are like almost half the trains that was on my list are not here. For instance, the one train, the R626 train, they have the 7 train right here. What else don't they have? They don't have the R train. They just completely eliminated the R train. They only have the G train here, which wasn't on my plan. They have the N Express. They have the F. And for the trains that are out of stock here, I'll have the A, they'll got the 1, the 2, the 6. I'll have the, you see? The A, the R, the G, the Long Island Railroad, and not Staten Island Railway, the multi-level, and the ALP 46, and the Southeast Pennsylvania Transit Authority Silverliner 5, and the Long Island Railroad. Those are trains that's out of stock right now. Seen this, but this is too much money. I only have 20, and that's like 4 times that's $20. Yeah, notice the wheels on the F train over there. Notice the wheels on the F train I have right now. So they have like a lot of trains that's out of stock right now. Oh, plus this track right here, I might try and get that because they'll have one of these tracks yet. Oh, and also they don't have the J. The J is out of stock. I checked like almost through most of these piles right here. It's all Z. Yeah, you know what's surprising? They have the Z, but not the J no more. That's weird. No Z, but I meant no J, but a bunch of Z's.